Welcome back to the Boostly Podcast. Now, this is a quick one because I wanted to announce the partnership that we have got with Hospitable. Now, Hospitable is somebody that I've been on the radar for a long time. I've known Pierre and the team behind the scenes, and more recently Miles, who's now in charge of business development, etc., and head of partnerships. And I've been selfishly wanting to partner with them for a long time. We've got a very similar audience. We both help the same types of hosts between that 1 and 20 mark, and I feel like we've got a lot of synergy. And it's awesome now to be able to announce that we have got an integration link up with Hospitable, which is fantastic. So now Hospitable obviously offer a direct booking website solution, but as you know, they will admit, it's a very basic website for those hosts who want something more. Now they can partner with and work with Boostly seamlessly. And not only that, they've just announced Hospitable Direct, which is a fantastic product because it just takes the payment, the trust, and everything behind the scenes to that next level that they've never been able to do before. Now, I could wax lyrical about it, but I thought, let's just go straight to the source. So I emailed Miles Hobson of Hospitable, and he's very kindly recorded a very quick 1-minute video explaining exactly what Hospitable Direct is. So without further ado, let me hand over to Hospitable. And if you want to find out more, go to hospitable.com, hospitable.com. When you book a call, just say Boostly sent you. Let's say you might be able to get a nice little extra discount if you mention that. All right, thank you.
With our direct premium offering, you'll be able to process online card payments with ease, with Hospitable as the merchant of record, covering any processing fees associated with cancellation, have sales and lodging taxes automatically calculated and collected for you, accept bookings with the confidence of integrated guest vetting powered by AutoHost, and $5 million worth of damage protection powered by Know Your Guest, and you'll be able to link any personal or business bank accounts you want to use for payouts. And of course, all of this works seamlessly with Hospitable's other time-saving messaging, calendar, operations, and other integrated tools.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly Podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.